Hi everyone, this is Riya Kanji. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this easy glam traditional Bengali look. As you all know, Durga Puja is coming very soon. So let's get started. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss another update. So at first I have already drawn my eyebrows and now I'm going to clean all around with this Wet n Wild concealer. Also I'm applying it all over my lid and blending it well to set this concealer. Then I'm applying this Fit Me Loose powder to prevent this concealer from creasing. For today's look, I am using this Origin palette from Beauty Bay. First, I am taking this shade and applying it on over my crease and blend it well. Then I am taking this blending brush and taking this shade and applying it to my crease and outer corner. Next I am taking this beautiful shimmery shade with a flat brush, but you can also use your finger to get more pigmentation. I am applying this to my inner third. Finally, I am applying liner from Wet n Wild. For the face, I am applying Clarins facial oil. You may also use any moisturizer. Then I am applying this primer from the Smashbox. For foundation, I am taking this Huda Beauty Fox Filter foundation and applying it well with a wet sponge. Then I am applying this Maybelline concealer where I want to highlight my face and blend it well with the same wet sponge. To set all concealer and foundation, I am applying Fit Me Loose powder. For the lower eye, I am using this Plum Kajal, and with this shade, I am applying my lash line. Also, I am applying this Kajal to my upper lash line as well. For lash, I am using this Maybelline The Falsies Push-Up Drama Mascara, and finally I am applying Fake Lash from Pack M75. Coming to face, I am using this Sugar Mini Bronzer 01. For blush, I am using the Sugar Mini Blush from the shade 01. For highlight, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Supex palette. With this shade, I'm applying the high points of my face. Also with a small brush, I'm applying it to the inner corner of my eye. Now coming to lipstick. Today I'm using this beautiful red lipstick from NY Bay. And this is my final look, as you can see. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If so, please like and share this video with your friends and family. Please let me know your thought commenting down below, and also let me know what you would like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. See you in a brand new video soon. Love you all. Bye guys.